Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I will show you another project called e-commerce and social media. Nowadays social media platforms have become more viral. People can post whatever they are in their mind, and now it's become an online shopping as well. People whoever wants to sell the products they have, it is the good way to increase their business, because in social media platforms you can find lots of people using them. Day by day it's the count increasing. So people, they can post their ideas and they can even sell their products in the same platform. So based on this idea, we have created a website which is called e-commerce shopping and social media. This website has the both features that social media have, like posting, like, comment, share, etc., and also the ability that users can sell their products and they can buy the products in this website itself. Let's look at the flow once. In this project we have two major module. We have one module which is for user, but users, it acts differently, such as they can act as seller and they can act as buyers. So if the users want to be sellers and social media active persons, they have to register and log in as sellers. When they are registering, they have to give all the details such as name, email, password, and they have to select which type of user they want to be in this website. So they can select either seller or buyer. Sellers, they can log in as, and they can register as buyers as well. So but when they registering, they can select as buyers if they want to be a buyer. Now sellers, if the users register and log in as a seller, they can add the posts. Like normally people will upload the post about the things that going on their lives of the mind, everything. They can, just like the normal user, they can post something. They can view their posts as well, they can view the comments, everything. They can add the products they want to sell here. Here, when adding the product, sellers will mention how many pieces are available and how much price they are having for this particular product. So sellers can also view the product as well. Sellers can view others' posts and they can like, share, comment on the posts from other users as well. Now, buyers, they have to register, as we have discussed. They will register as buyers. So they will have a normal portal which is have, they can also add posts. They can post themselves. They something about going things and all the stuff. They can view the posts as well. Now, buyers can view the products and they can add the products into their cart. After adding the products into cart, buyers can buy it whenever they want. It's not necessarily that they have to buy in the moment itself. If they add the product into cart, it will reside there. If the product is still available when the buyers want to buy it, they can good to go. They can view, if they can remove it, or they can buy the product by paying the amount which is mentioned by the seller. So they will pay the amount. After paying the amount, this particular request and the order status will be displayed to the seller. In the view orders page, sellers can view the buyers who want to buy the product which he posted earlier. So users can view the transaction. After viewing the order, seller will mark the order status as dispatch the product. That means the product is ready to be taken by the buyer. So after viewing the order, they can see the status of this product as dispatch. So buyers can collect and change the status as collected the product. Now sellers can view all the order history they receive from multiple buyers, and buyers as well, they can see the orders they have put. This is all the flow. Let's look at the website once. This is the e-commerce with social media website, that which is we are going to see now. As we have discussed, users have to sign up first, which is registration. They have to register first. So we'll register. Name, gender, they have to select gender as well. Now user type, they have to select they want to be the seller or buyer. Phone number, date of birth, they have to select. Yeah. Password, they have to give password for login. Address of their address. Now register. Successfully registered the user. Let's log in. This is the home page of user who will register as the seller. They can add the post. Now they will click on something. So they will add post. This is the post. Now Cody Jones, which is a seller, they can post. This is the tagline they added. Now they can add the product which they want to sell. So we can say quantity 1, price 45, 2005. Yeah, they have to choose the file. Product added. We can see it here. If there is any changes seller want to change, they'll click on edit. If they want to change the quantity, they can change it to 1. Is it? Yeah, this is it. Let's register as buyer so that we can email, buyer, phone number, date of birth, password, and the address. Yeah, registration successful. Now buyers can log in. This is the home page for the users who have registered and logged in as a buyer. They can add the post. They can view the post. This is the post they have made. This is the post from Cody Jones and other people posts we can see here, which they have post here. So for that they can also like it. Yeah, they can like it. When they click on it, will turn to you can comment added successfully. You can see the comments. When they click on comments, you can see the comment they have posted. These are the posts, and now we can view the posts as well. Here we see that someone posted that they are buying, selling this product. Now we can see the post from Cody Jones. He is going to sell this product at 45,000. So latest version. If the buyers want to buy it, they can add it to the cart. This will be added to the cart. From this, they can order now or they can remove it. If they click on order now, they have to pay the amount on online. So they have to enter the card number, 16 digits. In one card, CVV, and expiry date, order placed. We can see the order, transaction as well. This is the amount paid to Cody Jones from Tyler's Willie. Name on card is Tyler. Let's log in as seller and let's look at the order from the customer. Click on view orders. We'll see here Cody Jones from order by Tyler, on which date, order confirmed. So after successful payment only, the seller can able to see it, dispatch it. So dispatch, this product is dispatched now. Buyers can collect the product, my cash receipt. They can view the transaction once again if they want to. This is the history of the transactions and order they have made from the buyers. This is all about e-commerce and with social media. I hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.